Alright, snapper yard machine. It doesn't seem to be any different between 13, 14 and a half, 16, 18 and 20 horse ones. They all seem to be the same. Driver's side tire. This is flipped up. See this spring? The only thing you normally see is that, minus the pliers. The deck was too loose, hit long grass. I stuck this in here, piece of old hard pipe to stretch the spring. I stretched it further, and I even notched it to get a kick-ass stretch. Well, eventually that all ended. This is your culprit. Your snapper belt. What is it? 702911746. I don't know. I'll write it down. Let's see how it fits. That is wore out, and it won't cut your grass. This spring is too loose. I'm not paying $50 for a snapper belt. I paid $12 for this one, and that's how it should fit. They want $50, $50, and $50. This pulley is bad, and they call it, oh, it's an updated pulley, because they sold you junk in the first place. Do not lose this ring. This sits like this. Your clutch goes here. But I can't afford a pulley, so I tried cleaning this one up. At least it's not sharp. And like I said, reach up there, feel it with your hands. At 10 to 1, this is your problem. This pulley wearing this belt out. This is the other belt. This belt drives your wheels, your tires, forward, reverse, left, right. I guess I'll give you my cheap secret. Can you see the part number? It's 1/2 inch, 42 inch belt. On the other side, over here on the side, you'll see another hole, and all you'll see is the tip of this spring. This is to drive your tires. I highly recommend grabbing this with pliers, pulling it out, and sticking something in here, because that piece of metal is so small it's going to wear and break right through, and then you'll have to fish it out. So do it now. Be proactive. Pull this out, stick something in here to support it, and it tightens the spring so your tires will drive better. The idler for the deck, I think, is primitive. I ripped this one off. Useless information. This broke, someone welded it, and they also welded the bolt in. There's supposed to be a pivot right here. And your deck belt idler. So this belt runs your clutch. This is your tensioner for the belt for the deck. I threw it out. I rebuilt a new one, completely different, but that was shot anyway. So you have problems with your deck, see if the spring is loose, and if it's loose, your culprit 10 to 1 is this pulley that's inferior. $50 to replace it, $50 for each bearing. I think I paid $9 for this Chinese bearing. Let's see if it works.